Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw a desktop computer with a desk and a chair. Doesn't that sound fun? Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin with the monitor. Draw a big rectangle, it will be the screen. Inside, draw a smaller rectangle to make the display screen. Then, draw a thin rectangle below for the base of the monitor. Under the base, draw two curved lines connecting to a small rectangle to create the stand that holds up the monitor. Next, let's draw the table. Start with a large rectangle under the monitor. Make it 3D by adding another smaller rectangle behind it. Now, on top of the table, draw a long, thin rectangle for the keyboard.
La da 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 dee.
Add smaller rectangles inside for the keys. Draw 4 straight legs coming down from the table. Let's make it sturdy so our computer doesn't fall. Now it's time to draw the chair. Start with a rounded rectangle for the backrest. Add a small oval below for the seat. Then draw the chair's base and wheels. Make it comfy and ready for work.
La da 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 dee.
Whoa! Our desktop computer with a desk and chair is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make it pop. Look how amazing our computer desk looks.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our color pens and bring our drawing to life. We'll use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Yay!
Purple color. Pink color. Nice job, everyone! Look at how colorful and vibrant our desktop computer looks. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and share your artwork with us. See you next time. Bye. Hi friends. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful house with a palm tree, sun, and some birds flying in the sky. Grab your black marker and paper, and let's get started. Start by drawing a triangle roof, but make the bottom edge wavy to make it look fun and unique. From the edges of the roof, draw 2 vertical lines going down for the walls of the house. In the center, draw a rectangle for the door. Then, on each side of the door, draw 2 squares for the windows. To the side of the house, let's draw a tall, curved trunk for the palm tree. At the top, draw big, spiky leaves.
La da 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 dee.
It's looking great already. Draw some small patches of grass near the base of the house and palm tree to make it look natural. On the other side of the house, draw a big sun with rays shining out. Now, draw some little M shapes in the sky to look like birds flying around. Nice job, everyone! You are doing amazing! Let's go over the lines with our black marker again to make everything bold and sharp. It'll really make your artwork pop. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yay!
Now, it's time to bring our picture to life with colors. Let's use rainbow colors for this masterpiece. Red color. Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Dark brown color. color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Wow, it's looking fantastic. You did it. Your colorful house with the palm tree, sun, and birds looks amazing. Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time for more fun art projects. Bye, friends. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.